Hello friends, welcome. We are dealing with operational amplifier and linear IC experiments. Today we will be dealing with a comparator circuit using IC741, that is op-amp. First we will be dealing with voltage comparator. Now generally what is a comparator? It is an electronic decision making circuit which makes use of operational amplifiers. Now you can see the circuit diagram for voltage comparator, and it is an open loop circuit. That means we don't have any feedback resistance from pin number 2 to pin number 6 here. It is simple and open loop circuit. At the inverting terminal, that is pin number 2, we are connecting a reference voltage. Reference voltage stands for we will use a DC source whose voltage value will be fixed to some value through a resistance R. Similarly, at pin number 3, non-inverting terminal, we are connecting another source, DC source, where we will vary the voltage between some ranges. Say for example 0 to 30 volt range, we will use the DC voltage source. Now looking for its operation, so say for example I have set the reference voltage as 4 volt or say 5 volt. So it is fixed, and at input side what I will do, at start I will keep the voltage at say 1 or 2 volt. As the input is less than V reference, output of the circuit will be minus VCC. If you increase the input voltage beyond the reference value, then the output is plus VCC. So I can write here, when Vin is less than V reference, Vout will be equal to minus of VCC, or you call it as minus of VEE. Similarly, when the input voltage is greater than V reference, Vout will shift to plus VCC. So output of this circuit will shift from plus VCC to minus VEE, minus VEE to plus VCC, depending on the value of Vin. If it is less than V reference, the output is minus VEE. If input is greater than V reference, output will be plus VCC. Now we will connect this circuit on the breadboard and we will verify the output. This is the circuit diagram which is connected on the breadboard. So we are using an IC741, that is the op-amp. As I told previously, here is a notch. So we are counting the pin numbers from this side, bottom 1, 2, 3, 4, opposite side 5, 6, 7, 8. So at pin number 2 and pin number 3, we are connecting a resistance. You can see here the pin number 2 resistance is connected to one voltage source. This one, the upper one, I am calling it as a V reference, and at pin number 3 one more voltage source is connected. You can see here it is connected to pin number 3. And to bias the operation amplifier, we are making use of a dual power supply. This red wire goes to pin number 7 plus VCC. The blue wire goes to pin number 4, that is minus VEE, and the black wire goes to ground on the breadboard. Now to check the output, we have connected a digital multimeter at pin number 6. Now we will apply the input and check for the output what exactly it gives. So I will put on the dual power supply. Both the DC regulated supplies, and similarly I will turn on the digital multimeter. Now see, The upper one is, as I told, this is a V reference and this is V in. And here I will be checking the output voltage. Now see here, V reference, it is nearly 4 volt, say it is 3.9, and input value it is 4.6. As per our discussion, what we said, if the V in value, if it is greater than the V reference value, output will be plus VCC. And what is plus VCC? That is nothing but the voltage used to bias the op amp, that is nearly 12 volt. You can see the output as 11.3 volt, which is nearly the plus VCC. Let us take one more reading. I will make the V in less than 4 volt. You can see the output is switched from plus VCC to minus VEE. We can go for some more readings. I will make it 7 volt. So as it goes beyond the 4 volt, the output again changes to plus VCC, that is nearly 12 volt, 11.3 to be specific. So by conducting this, we can conclude that the operational amplifier can be used as an voltage comparator. Thank you.